Good morning, all of you. Dear student, I am fine and I hope that you will be fine at your home. Dear student, I would like to say you that today I am going to teach you lesson 3 poem. Name of the poem is The Victor. Victor it means विजेता. विक्टर का मीनिंग इन हिंदी विजेता. It has been written by C.W. Longnecker. Dear student, first of all, we will know about word meaning of this lesson, of this poem. First, dare, to have courage to take a risk. That is called dare. Second, sure to happen. अपने आप में विश्वास रखना कि हम कोई काम कर सकते हैं. It is a phrase, a fellow's will, a person determination, वैसा व्यक्ति जिसके अंदर आत्मविश्वास हो. Outclassed, if you are outclassed by someone, they are lot better than you are at a particular activity. Dear student, from this poem we will learn a motivating poem on developing the right attitude towards resolving problems. Second, learn about the use of repression in poetry and do an activity on sports and nutrition. Dear student, now we will learn this poem. It is said that you can win only if you are bold and determined to win. Read this motivating poem by C.W. Longnecker about why believing in yourself is important. This poem has been written by C.W. Longnecker. He wrote about his life in this poem. It said that you can win only if you are bold and determined to win. आप किसी भी काम को कर सकते हैं या कोई भी प्राइज जीत सकते हैं जब आप अपने अंदर उस प्राइज को जीतने के लिए डिटरमाइंड हो, ये सोच रखे हो कि हमको इसे जीतना है, हमको इस काम को करना है, तब ही आप कर सकते हैं. Now read this motivating poem. The poem is, if you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you cannot, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think you are lost, you are lost. For out in the world we find success being with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of the mind. If you are outclassed, you are You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. And last stanza, life's battle, life's battle don't always go to the stronger or faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. वही आदमी जीत सकता है जो अपने मन में सोच लिया है कि हम इस प्राइज को जीत सकते हैं. Meaning of this lesson is this meaning of this poem is, if you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you are can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think to do anything, if you take a risk, you succeed. But before doing anything, you think that I can't do this work, you never do this work. So we determined before doing anything that we do certainly this work. If you are outclassed, you have got to think high or rise. यदि आप सोचते हैं कि हमें आगे बढ़ना है, डिटरमाइन है कि हमको आगे बढ़ना है, आगे कुछ करना है, तो आप निश्चित रूप से कर सकते हैं. पहले ही आप सोच लेंगे कि नहीं, हमसे ये काम नहीं होगा, तो वो काम जीवन में कभी आपसे नहीं होगा. Now, summary of this poem is, you have to be sure of yourself. अपने आप में पहले श्योर होना होगा. बिफोर यू कैन एवर, कोई काम करने से पहले आपको अपने अंदर ये श्योर होना पड़ेगा, आपको डिटरमाइन होना पड़ेगा कि हमें ये काम को निश्चित रूप से करना है, इस प्राइज को निश्चित रूप से जीतना है. विन द प्राइज. Meaning of this poem is to be remind us that everyone is just the man who wins is the man who thinks. वही आदमी जीत सकता है किसी प्राइज को जो सोच लिया है कि हमें इसे जीतना है. He can really like this poem because it reminds us that before anything we do, we have to have our mind free and have a clear head, not think about the what ifs or the maybe, and just go do it. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. यदि किसी प्राइज को जीतना है तो उसके पहले आपको डिटरमाइन होना पड़ेगा कि हमें इस काम को निश्चित रूप से पूरा करना है, हम कर सकते हैं. इस तरह की बात जब आपके दिमाग में आएगी, इस तरह का डिटर्मिनेशन आपके दिमाग में आएगा, तब आप उस काम को आसानी से कर सकते हैं. Dear student, I think that you understand this poem and you follow this poem in your life. Okay?